So you're having like a total mental breakdown because your favorite bra, whether it is ready-made or DIY, the underwire has come out. Oh my God, it's poking you, it is causing pain, it is annoying, it won't go back inside and stay. I meant back inside the channeling, not back inside. You know what I mean. And you're like, what do I do? Do I go buy another bra? What if this store doesn't sell the bra anymore? I'm gonna show you a really, really, really quick and easy fix. Moleskin. Dr. Scholl's sells it, CVS sells it, any drugstore sells it, and it's used for blisters on your feet or calluses as like a cushion. So, but it can also be used to save your bra, your day, possibly even your life. This is gonna save your life. Just kidding. So you're gonna take off a little snippet. You can cut it to be just a little bit, just whatever you need. And you're gonna push your underwire back inside the channeling where it belongs. And then you're gonna put the moleskin over. Give it a nice little press. And it will say, you might be thinking, no way is this going to hold it back inside. So as you wash and wear it, it actually adheres more. The glue becomes more adhesive. So it's on pretty good. So trust this baby, it's going to work. So then your bra is fixed. You can wear it. You can say you saved its life. You can now wear it for a couple more months, years, whatever, however much more this life of this bra has. So that is your quick fix. It takes literally 2 seconds, and I hope you enjoyed it.